If you're a busy mom like me and you're tired of making the same chicken over and over, this is for you. Today, I'm making chicken three different ways. Super simple, high protein, and honestly, low effort. Like, prep it and let the oven do the work kind of meals. Because let's be real, I don't have time to be standing in the kitchen all day. One of these is technically a cheat because I grabbed it already seasoned from Aldi, but honestly, we're counting it. Anything that saves time right now is a win. So the first one I made it like a garlic parmesan situation, except I didn't even use parmesan. I just kind of made it up as I went, and it still came out really good. The second one is just a simple baked chicken. Nothing fancy, but it's one of those staples you can use for literally anything during the week. And the third one is the southwestern chicken from Aldi, which makes life so much easier because it already has all the flavor. You just cook it and you're done. And this is why I love doing it this way, because once you have your chicken ready, you can turn it into anything. Today we used it for pasta, but you can do quesadillas, rice bowls, wraps, even salad if you're in that mood. It just makes the whole week feel easier when you already have something cooked and ready to go. And honestly, this is the kind of stuff that's been helping me stay consistent with cooking at home without feeling overwhelmed. Because I'm not trying to do anything complicated, I just need it to work for real life. So if you're in that phase too, this is one of those things that just makes everything a little easier.